So this is a short explainer video for a new feature that I added to the SEELab app that does not require the SEELab hardware. It uses the phone's internal microphone. Now, the objective of this experiment is to precisely measure the timestamp for different events that produce some sort of sound. And for that, I've introduced a section called the audio stopwatch, the acoustic stopwatch. And what it basically does is it takes raw data from the microphone for a preset specified duration, let's say 2 seconds. And if I click on run, so now I have events here, which I can't really tell, but I can zoom in and there you go. So these are the sounds made by the individual bounces of this metal ball on the granite surface. So you can already see that these bounces are getting closer and closer together. That's because the ball is losing energy with each collision. And the experiment is called measurement of the coefficient of restitution. And in the help section, you'll find information about some basic theory about this and how to make the calculations. So now once you have these timestamps, well, you have the waveform, how do I get this timestamps? One option is to, of course, use the cursor, and the cursor will tell you where it is. But a more precise way would be to set a threshold. So this pink line is the threshold line, and ask the algorithm to find the peaks for you. So it says there are peaks at 489.333 milliseconds, 675.15 milliseconds, and so on. You can also select the different microphones available on your phone and see which one gives the best signal, and the peak values are here. There's also an I/O controls if you have the SEELab device plugged in and you want to make some changes there. Thank you.